it's so big! Candles! She says candles! Those are pixie sticks. Oh yeah? Now which one's your favorite? That one? Wow. Oh, there, did you say whale? You said second one. Keep going, Layla. There you go. What do you have? Are those lollipops?
Yeah. They are jumbo balls. Get these stickers. Now don't you eat that when we are done. Yummy.
Go now, bear. Are you wiggling your booty?
I want to shake my booty. Yeah. Mommy, look, it's rainbow. See, it's red, yellow, green, blue, purple. Let's go, Mommy.
But you have to eat your hamburger. It's so cold. It's so cold. We did it. With my little eye, Mommy's orange shirt.
Mommy, Daddy.
What? I did it. I said Mommy's orange shirt.
You can't say the thing. You only have to say the color.
Oh, just the color?
Yeah, just
Oh. Okay. I spy with my little eye, not the brown chair Mommy's sitting on. I said not the brown chair.
No, you have to say something but not the color.
Oh, just the color.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it. Oh, go ahead. You tell me.
I try with mine. I something blue.
Blue? Is it your dress?
Yeah.
I found it.
the coolest thing ever. It's huge. Nahla, is it huge? It's so big. Wow. It's got a marshmallow. And a cupcake. There's a cupcake in it. There's a cupcake, ice cream cones, lollipops, marshmallows, a donut, gummies, M&Ms, candy necklaces, and lots of ice cream. Okay, here you go.
So big.
And delicious. What, Nahla? The best ever?
This is a huge ball. I don't think I can finish this.
Are you sure? Did you think you could finish it?
No, I will be full. I will be so full.